Want to unlock all of Tinder's Gold and Platinum features without spending a dime? This is the right video for you, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in today's video. And I'm going to show you 3 ways, so if one way doesn't work, stick to the end to find out the other ways. As you can see, I am on Tinder right now, and I do not have Tinder Gold or Platinum, as you can see on the top left. So the first way you can do is you search up Tinder promotion and then press enter. You can see how to use the promo code, but people like Revolut do promotions. And as you can see, if you scroll down, just make sure your country is eligible, and if it is eligible, just open a Revolut account or something like that, and then you'll have the Tinder subscription. As you can see, all of the steps for the promotion are here, so if you have any questions, just look through there. Uni Days also held one, so you can do it from there. But also, if you want to search up Tinder promotion Spotify, they also held a promotion. You may think that this may not work anymore and this and that, so I'm going to show you 2 more methods in this video, so stick around to the end to find both of them. The next one is going to be if you search up Tinder and then coupons. So search up Tinder coupons, and if this method doesn't work for you as well, stick around to the end, so don't worry. But search up Tinder coupons. If you scroll down, you can see different websites that do it, and you can see all these promo codes such as romantic, love me, and there's one for 6 months right there. But the best method, and the method I'm going to show you, is if you search up Chrome Web Store and then search up Tinder in the search bar, then press enter. Then you can see this one, Tinder likes unblur. So this will unblur all the likes for you, but there's another one you will not download as well, which is called T Swindler, which will give you unlimited likes and this and that. As you can see, if you go to your extensions and then if you press pin, the Tinder thing, it will then reload your page, and as you can see, all of these people have been unblurred. And there you can see that I don't even have Tinder Gold and it's still working. And if you want all the other features such as unlimited likes, just press the other extension.